Okay, thanks everyone. Sorry to get started. We're powwowing up here about how to pull off the last session. But anyways, I am extraordinarily happy to, again, have this panel up here. These are all colleagues and I think friends, and we went through a common experience, which is the PIP framework negotiations, and we're talking about that a little bit up here. I was saying that for me, it was one of the most satisfying things I've ever gone through in my life, because we started from a very difficult situation, went through very difficult negotiations, and then ended up what I think was one of the most constructive things that I've seen occur in public health. However, John corrected me and said it wasn't a very pleasant situation. So we'll hear both sides of the story. But without much further ado, let me introduce the first person who is going to give us comments, which is Ambassador Makram Wibisono. So Makram has a very distinguished career as a diplomat. And he's held a lot of positions, and I'm not going to go into all these positions, but he has been the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary Permanent Representative of Indonesia to the United Nations, both in New York and also in Geneva. He is a former United Nations Special Rapporteur on the occupied Palestinian territories, and he's been chairman of the United Nations Commission of Human Rights in Geneva. Currently, Makram is the professor and lecturer at Erlinga University, the Defense University, the National Resilience Institute, and various other universities and institutions in Indonesia. But anyways, a very distinguished diplomatic career. So, Makram, can I turn to you first, and then I'll introduce the other members.